Hello everyone, this printer is HP Envy 6032E or 6000 series. What I want to do is to show you ways to copy documents with this printer. So we're going to copy this, stick the document face down, make sure the documents start from the top left, close the cover. So from the control panel, this button is for you to copy the document color. This button is for you to copy the document black. To copy the document black and white, tap on this, the number will change. If you want to copy it to, you keep pressing it, the number will change. This button is for you to cancel the job. I want us to copy this document 1. Select the button, it will show you 1. This is the document we copied. If you want to copy two-sided, put the same document you want to copy on the glass scanner, face down, reload the paper with the image inside. So reload the paper. With the printed area already facing up. Close paper tray, then select this button once. This is the image. You can see the image of the cat in the front and also image at the back. Now I want to show you how to copy color. Open glass scanner, stick the color, document face down, select this button once to copy the document in color once. We'll show you a number. Select this button to cancel the document. So the job is cancelled. So this document is cancelled. So I want us to select this once. If you keep tapping on it, the number will change. So we're going to copy this document color once. This is the document we copied in color. So these are ways to copy documents. You can copy it two-sided as well. You can copy it single page. You can copy in color. You can copy in black. Right side is for you to copy the document in black and white. Left is for you to copy the document in color. It will show you 0. Once you tap on the number will keep changing. Just need to keep tapping on it. The number change, then select cancel to cancel the job. If you did not cancel the document on time, it will still print out the first page. So this is how to copy documents with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.